Hi friends, here is a quick look at the Emberlit fire stove. This is the titanium one. You can see that it is not magnetic, and you can also see that basically by the hue that it takes on after getting real hot. So basically, super simple construction. It's 4 panels with a base. Basically you feed the wood in here. It's got ports basically to allow airflow and get your fire going. It's easy to maintain either through here, or you can poke in through the sides with a stick to kind of sort out your wood and get it to lay right. And then you can set your pot on top of here. Basically I use this for I've used this for day hikes. I have the fire ant now that I take in my little canteen kit. This is in my bigger bag, but I love this thing for boiling up water to make coffee or tea when I'm out in the woods. So this thing is great. Super easy to put together. Basically everything's very intuitive. You just torque this a little bit on the front panel. That's the last thing you put together. And then you can slide everything else apart from there. So mine's a little warped from a bit of use. And you can see the fun discoloration that happens. So basically it lays down like that and you're good to go. So that's the total package there. It's about 5 inches across and 6.5 inches tall. The fire ant, the smaller one, is 5 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide. So just kind of comparison between the two. So this is a great piece of kit. Being titanium, it's super light, so it's hardly a burden to take with you. I keep it in one of these Magpul DACA pouches just because I'm not worried about it getting dirty. Slides in there nicely. This is the small pouch, and you're good to go. So, great kit. I love these Emberlit stoves. I think they've done a great job with them, and really just make containing your fire. If you don't want to make a huge fire, just want to make a little one to get a brew going, you can do that.